Hello, Nancy. So we had a session this morning. It's Monday, and Monday, November 4th, and it's currently 9:53 p.m. So we started talking about an interesting topic, ordering at the restaurant. So we're going to see a lot of expressions here. And lesson 5, are you ready to order? Ordering in a restaurant. Do you like to eat in restaurants? Yes. Time to time, often, you can say every day, once a week, once a month, etc. How often do you eat out? We just answered. What is your favorite restaurant? Can be Italian food, Japanese food, Cantonese, so it can be Italian restaurant, Cantonese restaurants, Japanese, French, etc. When you eat in a restaurant with a friend, do you usually pay the exact amount for your own meal, separate, divide, split the check in half, try to treat your friend, offer to pay for 100%? Well, it depends. It depends, you can one day pay, the other one can pay, we can just split, it depends. It depends the relationship you have. The typical amount of a tip in the United States is 15%. Do you leave tips in your native country? If yes, how much is typical? So you told me that in Hong Kong, people will round up or will just, just leave the coins on a small bill. These are things that people say in a restaurant. Write W next to what a waiter or waitress will say. Write C next to what a customer would say. So I'll be right with you. Waiter. Can I get you anything to drink? Waiter. We have some specials tonight. Waiter. Are you ready to order? Waiter. What is the soup of the day? Customer. What kind of salad dressing do you have? Customer. How would you like your hamburger? Waiter. Would you like anything else? Waiter. Can we have some more water, please? Customer. Can we have the check, please? Customer. Okay. So, that's not difficult. Just for you to understand the logic here is to be careful of the different expressions. Okay. What is the soup, the meal of the day? And there is something I forgot to tell you is the happy hour. I forgot when is it exactly, but it's like, I don't know, 50% off, or you get a free drink, or, it depends, the restaurant. Now, look at the cartoon on page 81. So that, here, up. We see an old guy, a grandma, sitting on some kind of a couch, looking at the menu. And they have drinks. I don't know what it is here, but they are at the restaurant. And for preparing for tomorrow, we can just read the dialogue. So let me just zoom in, it's going to be easier for me. Oh, it's nice to eat out and have time together. What a great birthday present. I'm glad you like it. I'm always happy to treat you to lunch. That means the guy's gonna pay. And I was thinking, we never really have time to just sit and talk. I know. And now we have 2 hours, and this is a really nice place. Yeah, I come here once in a while. So, what are you going to have? I'm not sure yet, but you order whatever you want. It's your birthday. Whatever I want? Okay. But please don't sing happy birthday when we have dessert. If you do, I'll go under the table. You'll never change, always so shy. Well, that's me. Anyway, I think I'll have the chicken Caesar salad. What are you going to have? The salad sounds good, but I'm going to have soup too, because I'm really hungry. This guy's gonna get the chicken Caesar salad and the soup. Okay, so we have, we have a lot of similar expressions. Yeah, we can just go through this dialogue. Hi, are you ready to order? Yes, we are. I would like, you see, may I have? No. I would like the chicken Caesar salad. Anything to drink? Just water for now. For now. And how about you? I'll have the same. But I'd also like the vegetable soup. Will that be all? Uh-huh. That's all for now. Okay. I'll be right back with your soup. Thanks. Okay. So there are many dialogues here. But what I want to do is to come back to the transcript and go. And so you asked me the difference between may I and I would like. May I is when you are putting yourself in an inferior position. When you spend your money in a store or restaurant, etc., you're going to say, I would like. It's not imposing yourself because you're still polite, but you're requesting something in a sense, in a polite way. So, do you like art? I appreciate art. Okay, so you appreciate. What kind of style, what style of art do you appreciate? You told me that you like a lot of stuff, but except abstract art. You like realistic art. So abstract art will be more like, contemporary art from now and, modern art. Country style is, landscapes. You said that you like Van Gogh. Okay. So now, we did also a role play. That means, we want to reserve, we want to imagine a situation, and in this situation, you reserve a table. So when you reserve, well, you use the same expression, I would like. I would like to reserve a table for 3, please, for next Saturday. Is it possible? So do you still have tables available, or ideally far away from the restroom, or I would like the table next to the window, in a non-smoking area, or in a specific area? You can ask. Waiters, waitresses, plural. Come often to your table. Okay, tourists. Drink tea. Yeah. You said that to go to a dim sum restaurant, that means to drink tea means to go to a dim sum restaurant. And the waitress can be in a hurry. She can throw the silverware on the table or the plates. So it can be considered to be rude, but it's just normal. They are in a hurry. In America, we like to eat comfort food. Comfort food is like basically pasta, potatoes, things that makes you feel happy. My friend hates going to the restaurant because she thinks it's dirty, or it's filthy. That means extremely dirty, but because of the germs. Okay, so if you have to find a middle ground, between a restaurant where it's not too cheap, not a buffet, and you can eat normally, and you know that they have a reputation. So what do you recommend? You can ask in a restaurant if you don't know what to choose. You can ask for advice and be like, well, what do you recommend? And they can tell you, well, I recommend this. Or probably it's a good advice. You never know. So what's your favorite restaurant? You said Cantonese restaurants, Indian food maybe. And they said that curry is very good for, to avoid Alzheimer. There's this, and also there is a gold milk with the coconut milk, coconut oil, turmeric, honey. You can add black pepper because it's gonna boost up the level of turmeric and the antiseptic effects. So curry actually could prevent Alzheimer. Okay, and I gave you the recipe for the turmeric golden milk. Middle Eastern food as well, super good, with baba ganoush, etc. Hummus. So to leave a large tip is when you feel comfortable and you feel like very generous. Okay. when they give back the change, that means you can leave the change as a tip. This is what we do in France. It's not really mandatory to give a tip. You can leave the coins or small bills. There are no percentages. So when you order the meat, you can ask for rare. How would you like your meat? I would like it rare, medium rare, or medium. Okay. And if you have any problems with a restaurant, don't hesitate to tell, that you don't really actually like the food, or something is wrong and didn't really expect this kind of plate, and etc. Or maybe they can make a mistake with your plate. That happened to me, and they can offer you the meal for free, or try to buy something, to offer something to you, and they can tell you it's on me or on the house. Okay. There's an expression we use a lot in American English, is the combination of hungry and angry, which is hangry. Okay. So hangry is like you're hungry because you're angry because you're hungry. Okay. So man, Cantonese food. What I was trying to write here, but anyway. So let's keep it short. Let's keep it simple. I see you tomorrow at 9. You have an excellent evening, and sleep well, sleep tight, and see you tomorrow.